To answer the question about viewing a social phenomenon from a single perspective and the consequences that follow, whether it's intended and unintended, in life you're gonna try to find the positives from your own perspective, no matter what situation you're going to. For example, college. You go to college to get an education, maybe party a little bit, who knows, you're gonna find a positive. But following that, there's always gonna be those consequences. So if you go there and your school's not paid for, you're gonna have to take out loans, like it said. And of course you don't wanna think about it, but it's gonna happen. And if you go there to party, which could be positive during the moment, it could be affecting your school grade or your work that you should be doing instead of partying. So while you're partying, you're just building up those consequences, the unintended consequences, because you're not expecting that. But that could really affect what you're doing. And people don't think about it like that until they're down in a hole. So that could really affect you, obviously. But you just can't really, you just got to know that there's negatives that follow up when you're looking from one perspective. Now, if you open up your mind a little bit and start thinking other ways and start thinking from other people's perspective or a higher perspective or a lower perspective, like, you'll see more and understand more and think about it more, about how it could be better, worse, or how you can fix something better, or if that makes sense. But you just have to open your mind more and be able to think more, because you can't just see stuff from your own perspective, because that's going to be kind of biased to what you want to see, not what's really there, if that makes sense. It's like when you're looking at it from a single perspective such as your own, that's all you're going to see. It's like tunnel vision. So all you're going to see is your perspective, not everyone's perspective, if that makes sense. But that's just how I feel about it. You just got to open up more, and you got to see the intended and unintended consequences that will follow with anything that happens. So, that's really all I got for you.